Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to do answers to exercise questions. While watching this video, you ready to keep math textbook, notebook and pen. If there is any difficult question, you pause this video and copy that answer of the question. Chapter 2 sets exercise 2.2. First bit, if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? First, A intersection B. A is equal to given 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B is equal to given 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. In this A intersection B means we have to take common elements. So what are common elements? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These only common elements. This is first. Next, B intersection A. B intersection is called first B elements 1, 2, 3, set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection set of A 1, 2, 3, 4. In this common elements 1, 2, 3. These only common elements 1, 2, 3. This is 2. Results 2. By observing these two results, we can understood A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So intersection satisfy commutative property. Next to second bit, both are equal. So second bit, A is equal to 0, 2, 4. Find A intersection 5 and A intersection A. And comment A is equal to given set up 0 to 4. First we have to find A intersection 5. A intersection 5, A 0 to 4. 5 means empty set. So there are no common elements. So empty set or 5. Next second, A intersection A is equal to 0 to 4. Intersection 0 to 4. Both the sets have common elements, same elements. So 0 to 4, that is A only. So what is the comment? A intersection phi is equal to phi and A intersection A is equal to A only. This is the comment. Third bit, if A is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Find A minus B and B minus A. A is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What we have to find here? A minus B. First one, A minus B. A minus B. Elements in A are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Elements in B are minus. Elements in B are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. A minus B means the elements belongs to A but does not belongs to B, means not belongs to B. So that's why 2 is in A but not in B. So we have to write 2. 4 is in A but not in B. 6 is in A and also in B. So don't write this. 8 is in A but not in B. 10 is in A but not in B. So this is A minus B. Next to B minus A. Elements in B are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minus A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this case we have to take elements in B but not in A. So 3 is in this B but not in A. So we have to write 3, 6 in B and also A. That's why we don't write 9, 12, 15. So this is second. By observing 1 and 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 10 and 3, 9, 12, 15, A minus B not is equal to B minus A. Next to fourth bit, if A and B are two sets such that A subset B, then what is A union B? A subset B, then what is A union B? A subset B means A set in B set, set A in set B. Like this we have to take few elements and we have to observe what the result A union B. In this case we know A union B is equal to A is horizontal shaded, B is vertical shaded. So A union B, the total shaded portion, so total shaded region, that is B. So A union B is equal to B. By taking elements also we can prove this. A is equal to, suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 So A is in B. So now A union B is equal to, in A 1 2 3 union, in B 1 2 3 4 5. So union means we have to write all elements in A and B and both in order 1 2 3, and also write one time only. That's why 1 2 3 written here. 1 2 3, no need to write. 4 5. So what we got? We got B on 1 2 3 4 5 means we got B. So A union B is equal to B if A subset B. Fifth bit, if A is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number, B is equal to x such that x is an even natural number, C is equal to set of x such that x is an odd natural number, D is equal to set of x such that x is a prime number. Find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, C intersection D. A is equal to x such that x is a natural number. So we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and so on. These are natural numbers. B is equal to set of x such that x is an even natural number. So 2 4 6 8 10 and so on. C is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. Set of 1 2 1 3 5 7 9 and so on. Next to D is equal to set of x such that x is a prime number. Prime number 2 3 5 7 11 and so on. First what we have to find? First A intersection B. A set of 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Intersection B set of 2 4 6 8 10 and so on. What are common? 2 4 2 4 6 and so on. These are common. Next to A intersection C. A set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. C set of odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9 and so on. So what are common elements? So 1 3 5 7 and so on. Next to A intersection D. A set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. Intersection D, what prime numbers 2 3 5 7 11 and so on. What are common elements? So 2 3 5 7 11 and so on. Next to B intersection C. B intersection C is equal to B 2 4 6 8 10 and so on. Intersection C set of 1 3 5 7 9 and so on. What are common elements for these even numbers and odd numbers? No common elements. Empty set or pi. Empty set or pi. Next, B intersection D. B even numbers, set of even number 2 4 6 8 and so on. D prime numbers 2 3 5 7 11 and so on. What are common elements? One only common element, but this two only common element. Next to C intersection D. C set of odd numbers 1 3 5 7 and so on. Intersection D set of prime numbers 2 3 5 7 11 and so on. What are common elements? 3 5 7 11 and so on. Sixth bit, if A is equal to 3 6 9 12 15 18 21, B is equal to 4 8 12 16 20, C is equal to 4 6 8 10 12 14 16, D is equal to 5 10 15 20. Find first one A minus B, second A minus C, third A minus D, fourth B minus A, fifth C minus A, sixth D minus A, seventh B minus C, eighth B minus D, ninth C minus B, 10th D minus B. We can do one by one. First A minus B. A is equal to 3 6 9 12 15 18 21. B minus B 4 8 12 4 8 12 16 20 16 20. A minus B, A 3 6 9 12 is in B also, that's why to leave 12 15 18 21. Next to second one, A minus C. A is equal to 3 6 9 12 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 minus C 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 12 14 16.
3, 6, 9, 12 is common. 15, 18, 21. Next, a minus d. A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus d 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 is common. So 15, 18, 21. Next, fourth problem, b minus a. First b, you have to write b. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Four, 8, 12 is common. 16, 20. Fifth one, c minus a. C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So 2, 4, 6 is common. 8, 10, 12 is common. 14, 16. Sixth problem, d minus a. D is 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 5, 10, 15 is common. 20. Seventh problem, b minus c. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 4 is common, 8 is common, 12 is common, 16 is common. So remaining only 20. Next, eighth, b minus d. B minus d. B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. D 5, 10, 15, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is common. Next C minus B, ninth one, C minus B, C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So common elements 4, common elements cut in this C 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 is common. D minus B. D is 5, 10, 15, 20. B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20 is common. So if we observed these results, A minus B, B minus A. A minus B not equal to B minus A. A minus C not equal to C minus A. A minus D not equal to D minus A. And B minus C not equal to C minus B. B minus D not equal to D minus B. Seventh bit. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answers. First one, 2, 3, set of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So these are not disjoint sets. Why? Because 3 and 6 are common elements. We know the disjoint sets. If two sets have no common elements, they are called disjoint sets. So these I have 3 as common elements. That's why these are not disjoint sets. So false. Second one, set of AE, IOU and ABCD are disjoint sets. These also not disjoint sets. Why? Because A is common. So false. Third one, set of 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. So these 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15. So these have no common elements. So that's why these are disjoint sets. So true. Fourth one, set of 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. So these also no common elements. That's why these also disjoint sets. True. So exercise 2.2 completed. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe to get my latest updates.